dearest, thank you for teaching us. Thank you for giving your best just to let us know the things we need to learn. Maraming salamat po, ma'am, kahit pasaway kami, especially my kapwa.
Thank you talaga. Hindi naman kayo masaway na gano'n. Pero ko naman, kasi naman kayo, kahit medyo kulit lang kayo ng konti.
Ayun ang dati ko
I know, I feel so much you love me. Lovely naman kayo. Kagabi, ate, alam mo, tagal-tagal din sila rito kagabi. Sabi niya, mga ilang minutes sila. Ako sabi nila, nararamdaman ko ate yung yung lungkot nila. Sabi ko, alam ko naman yun, kaya lang, siyempre alam mo naman, di ba? Kuya Mike na naman, nagkaya. Hindi naman ako pwede na talaga. Pero naramdaman ko talaga kasi sinabi rin ng mga kapatid ko, sabi nila, alam mo ate, nag-effort sila talaga para sa'yo. Sabi ko, hindi ko ma-expect kasi alam ko mga kulit yun.
Lapit niyo! Wala ma'am, tuloy pa na. Tuloy, sis! Tuloy!
Ayun. Basta proud naman ako sa inyo. I'm sure you will become better students, you will become better individuals in the future. Kasi nagpapakita naman talaga kayo ng napakalaking improvement, in fairness naman talaga. Hindi dahil sa akin yun, alam ko dahil na rin sa pagsisikap ninyo, saka sa mga magulang nyo, saka dun sa siguro yung realization na importante talaga yung future ninyo. Siguro kahit pa paano thinking na rin sa bawat isa sa inyo. Thank you very much, Adele. I will never forget. Better my way. Learning something new can make us feel fine. There's learning that we know, we must share it with likewise. Studying more can make our intelligence high. And if we try more harder, we can make ourselves sparkle high. There are others who are satisfied by what they make. But their learning is not stable. But for me, don't ever give up. Don't ever say no. Because if you don't quit, someday you'll stand tall. Aim high, my beloved people. Reach the top, attain your goals. Make your dreams come true. As you see a better future coming soon. Don't forget to give thanks to your parents, to serve as your inspiration, and most especially to your teachers, who are always there beside you, guiding you through it. Ay, nakakainis talaga kayo.
Di, dito na!
Wala! Nakiya ka na? Papalimutan ko.
Kakatayin mo na!
Happy birthday, H, for the happiness you brought to us.
A for the achievement. P is for this pleasant day. B is for the prayer.
Y is for you and you.
B is for the beauty that is in you. I. B is for